Hi guys, today we will be talking about braces. I put braces, they are not actually braces, they are Invisaligns, and they will be moving my teeth every single week and every single month 0.25 millimeters. So how did it work? So I went to the doctor, they scanned my teeth, they did 3D model so I could see all my teeth from different angles. Then they sent those 3D models to the factory, Invisalign factory, and they made 3D model how my teeth will be moving if I start the treatment with them. And after 6 months or 7 months, my teeth will be straight. So I paid $3,000 for this whole treatment. It will be 2 cycles, and each cycle will be 3 months and a half, approximately 14 weeks. And if I want to change something in the treatment, and if I don't like something, they can adjust it after 14 weeks. Now I have the whole treatment for 3 months and a half. I went to the clinic yesterday, they cleaned my teeth a little bit, they put some attachments, and after that they put aligners. It took me 5 times to try to put those aligners by myself without a doctor's help, and I have to wear them for 20 or 22 hours. So basically when I want to eat, I have to remove them, and after my meal I have to brush my teeth, I have to floss them, and also I have to use mouthwash. So I have to do like complete sanitization. Why? Just because if some food stays between your teeth, whether it's like small space, so when you put those aligners, they will stay there for 4-5 hours. So imagine the food will be perishing there. So that's why you have to do the complete cleaning. For the whole treatment I paid $3,000, and if I want to do one more cycle, I have to pay $300 on top of that. Was it painful? For me, it was a little bit when they were cleaning the teeth and they were putting cold water. My teeth became very sensitive, but you know, I'm wearing those aligners right now. No, it's not painful. It was a bit uncomfortable the first day. Yesterday I couldn't sleep until 3 a.m. and today I slept during the day. I didn't go to work because I didn't want my colleagues to make fun of me, but it's not that painful. But today I even realized that my teeth moved a little bit, because you know, when I was using the floss to clean and remove some food, I was like, yeah, I see the space. And you just have to understand that if you want to move the 5th and the 6th teeth, then you have to understand that it will take more time than to move the front teeth, because the front teeth has only 1 root canal, but those teeth which are in the back, they have 3 or 4 canals. So that's why it will take more time. But you know, I was a little bit skeptical. I didn't know that Invisalign can move those teeth which are down there and which are very far, and they have 3-4 canals. But you know, when I look at those aligners, I realized that yes, it's possible. I will still be updating you about my aligners, just because I just began this treatment, and I will be buying more stuff, and I will be sharing with you what stuff you need. My friends who already did Invisalign, they advised me to buy some stuff like how to sanitize my aligners and how to keep my mouth clean, because you always have to keep it clean. Yes, you cannot do snacks, you cannot do some food in between meals, because it will take time to remove those aligners, to clean the teeth. So forget about snacks. And I was talking to my boyfriend, I was like, oh, it's a good idea, I'm gonna lose some weight. But yes, of course, if you are dying to have some snacks, you can remove them. But for me, it took some time to learn how to remove them by myself. and the doctors were teaching me. There were 2 doctors yesterday because I was like so struggling. If you want me to shoot more content about Invisalign or some other stuff, so please write it down in the comment sections, and please give me some likes and support my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell. You're gonna get notified as just I'm uploading new video on my channel. See you soon. Bye bye.